Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again, tap on Privacy and click on Permission Manager. Over here, just click on one of your device's features, like camera. Then pick one of your apps, in my case Chrome, and tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to choose don't allow, so when I click and go back, I can see that camera no longer has access to my device's Chrome and the other way around. You can also just tap on one of your apps instead. Click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!